beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Asenime Mabel. I am the face of this brand, of this channel, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, that means you have not subscribed. So I want you to go down there and go and subscribe to my YouTube channel fast. I'm not commanding you, but please. Okay, so in today's video we created this look, this beautiful stunning look, not the whole look though, just my eyeshadow. So I gave a very detailed description or education, let's use education, on how I create the eyeshadow. So if you know you want to learn, you want to slay this look, you want to look like a bad bitch when you step out, just keep on watching, okay? So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you already know, we're going to be creating the look you saw in the previous clip, and I'm going to be guiding you through every single step. So just sit back, take a pen, take your biro, let's dissect some things right now. So first things first, we're going to be priming our eyelid. So what I use is a concealer. You can use an eyeshadow primer or a concealer to do this. I'm going to blend it out with a blending brush. You want to use a fluffy brush so that it evenly blends out the concealer and you don't have any harsh lines. You can blend it up to your brow bone just to make it more infused. You see how easy it is when you use like a blending brush to blend it out. Now that it's blended out, I'm going to be using my powder puff just to set it with powder. There's already powder on it from when I was doing my baking, so I'm just going to use whatever is remaining to just set where I put the concealer. For my first eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using the Glamlite eyeshadow palette. It's in collaboration with Maykala, if I'm not mistaken, and this is how it looks like. This is one of my favorite palettes, I can't even lie, because of the brown shades. It's very nice. So I'm going in with a fluffy brush. You want to use a fluffy brush for this part, like a dense fluffy brush, so that you can pack the product on your lid but still have control of what you're doing. I don't know if you understand. Hear me out. When you want to blend, you want to start from the outer corner of your eyes and then blend it upwards so that you have more control of how it's blending. Because if you just go in straight with the front side of your eyes, you might tend to make mistakes. So it's preferable to start from the outer corner and then slightly move to the inner corner. Going with gentle taps, just gently. You want to, like you're coloring something, you color and you give it like color and go back, color and go back, color and go back. Another reason I like to start from the outer corner is because by the time you are getting to the inner corner of your eyes, the powder or the eyeshadow that you took or you picked up is already not as dense as the one that is here, so it just gives it a more transitioned look. As you can see, there is some sort of depth already forming, and I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to be putting in my transition shade. I use a much more fluffier brush. This is less dense than the first one, but it's fluffier as well, and I like to go in with my Zikel Cosmetics Lydhia Stanley palette. These shades I would traditionally use for my transition. I'm going in with this one first and then mixing these two to blend it out. This is going to be at the brow part, the brow bone of your eyelid, so this area, and I like to tap it in this particular part. For the transition shade, I'm going to be using the same brush, like the orange shades, the same brush, and I'm just going to be applying it on this side in a sweeping motion. So I'm going to go back in with this brown shade. And I'm going to use the same brush again. Yes, we're going back with this one again to blend it out more. I'm going for a matte look, so I'm going to be using the matte shade. I'll first use this shade here, then I'll use this one at the inner corner of my eye. Just pack it on here. I'm going to be using my eyeliner, and this is from V Beauty. So just create like a very small wing to like a half wing and then blend it out. I'm just using the black eyeshadow from this palette. Back in with the brush, whatever is left in the brush, so just blend. With eyeshadow, you should always try to go back and forth, so that the colors actually come out well. Zikel Cosmetic Jumbo Pencil. This is in Diva Green, because I want to wear a green top, so I'm thinking of using this. But I'm afraid, like, what if it doesn't come out nicely? But this is how it looks like basically, and I don't know if it would be nice under my eye, because I wanted like a matte look. I think I should just leave it. This is a matte look and this is shimmer. So I decided to first go in with like black eyeliner. It's still from Zikel Cosmetic, and I'm just going to tight line my eye. This is nice though, and I'm scared now. I don't want to spoil it. What will I do? I'm just going to leave it like this because this is chef's kiss. I'm sorry, I wanted to take a risk, but nah. Just going to blend out this part, just a little, just to smoke it out. And I'm going to do mascara. I stopped kind of using lashes because I don't like the way they make my eyes look basically, so I'm using mascara more often, and my lashes have actually been looking really nice these days. It'd be cute, it'd be really cute. Oof, oof. Love it. This is the final look. I have to do some little touch-ups like the black marks and everything, but I have to allow it to dry first. So this is basically what it looks like. Let me just finish up my makeup and I'll come back. Okay, so this is the final look, and I am loving this look so much. It's just very calm but like sexy. It's giving boss vibe, it's giving big lady, it's giving money, it's giving rich, but I don't want to make too much noise, and I love the look so much. I hope you learned 1 or 5 things from this video, and do well to save this video for later, put it on your watch later so that you can always go back to watch it, and you like, you comment, and you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Because that's what we do over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.